Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, evening, whatever the time might be that you're watching. I'm going to share something with you that's really going to help you out a lot. Well, that's all of my videos. Come on, common denominator. But specifically, this is going to help you set up the day so that you don't have to succumb to convenience foods. Going to create a setup for success today. All that hard work you're doing, you don't want to negate that with garbage convenient foods. They're typically loaded with stuff you shouldn't be putting into your body. You're going to get less benefits of the hard work that you might already be doing. It's going to be extremely disappointing, and people always, regret it. So let's just prevent that from ever happening. So there's a tool that I've been using for, so many years that's really helped me out tremendously, and I still do this to this day. So here's what it is. Get a backpack, get maybe a little cooler that's shaped like this, maybe a handbag of some sort. Mine currently has a yoga mat in it. But here's what you're going to do with one of these items. Take the backpack. This is the most common thing that I bring with me. I will put bananas, apples, nuts, seeds, protein bars, canisters of these shake mixes that I make, maybe a good hummus dip, and a little baggie of wedged up vegetables that I can dip and eat throughout the day. All kinds of stuff. Those are just examples I've named off the top of my head, and most of you probably are already aware of these. We just need to be reminded and maybe given some ideas. So this cooler, for example, it's the perfect size and shape, in my opinion. It can fit in my, on my floorboard in the passenger side. It can fit in my trunk, obviously. It can fit anywhere I really need it to be in my car so that it's convenient and easy to bring with me. This backpack, obviously, put things in here that don't need to be refrigerated. Sometimes I bring both the backpack and this little cooler, and I got, little ice packs that are constantly in my freezer. I've got like 4 or 5 ice packs, probably more, and I'll typically bring 3 of those ice packs with me. I'll put them in here after the day's over. I'll put them back in the refrigerator. And of course this here, if this is your druthers, you can bring one of these, a handbag of some kind. There's options out there. Just find something that works for you and start taking food with you throughout your days. And that way, when you're driving by the whatever fast food place, convenient options, you're just going to be far less likely to take that option. You're going to take this convenient option right here, and this one is going to be good for you. The other ones are going to be bad for you, and you're going to feel good. You're going to feel amazing. You're going to be really happy with your decisions. You're going to get results more quickly. It's a win-win. You're going to, and not only that, but financially, fast food value meals and things like that are going to be far more costly, even in terms of what's coming out of your pocketbook, your money. So you're going to get less nutrition for more money. Spend more, get less. That's a bad deal. It doesn't make any sense at all. But this way, you're going to spend less, you're going to get more. You're going to get more for less. I mean, what's the better deal? It's a no-brainer. It's a win-win, win-win-win. And if you look more long-term than that, have a much longer attention span, obviously eating bad food, it's not just the upfront cost. Well, specifically convenient bad food, because you're going to pay for the convenience. Typically bad food otherwise is cheaper, but convenient bad food is more expensive, and down the road it's going to cost you more money in terms of what you might need for hospital visits, co-pays, deductibles, medications, just healthcare related costs in general. I've read studies that say people that skimp out on this kind of stuff in an effort to save money are going to spend an average of 6 figures in healthcare related costs, so they're not really saving money at all. The net loss or gain is a net loss of money, right? But that doesn't even account for paying for convenience. So when you do convenient foods at like fast food places and things like that, well, there you're not saving money, you're spending more for the convenience. So on that end, it's even worse. You're spending more money so that you can down the road probably spend upwards or beyond 6 figures on healthcare related costs. So all in all, just money pouring out of your ears at every which direction on convenient, unhealthy food, and then down the road, healthcare related costs too. it's a no. I can't stress that enough. Even if you just think about it logically on an elementary level like that, it just makes all the sense in the world to, the bananas, the apples, the nuts, the seeds, the good healthy hummus dips, and then baba ganoush, whatever you want to do, vegetable wedges that you got something to dip with and eat, and protein bars, on and on and on and on. It's so much more inexpensive, and you're much likely going to spend far less down the road in healthcare related costs because you're going to be healthy. You won't need to. Win, win, win. And by the way, speaking of, say, shake mixes, I've got these. This is another tool, these blender bottles. It's got that little thing in the bottom. You can put powdery stuff in there, shake it up, and you're good to go. I've got like 5 of these blender bottles. Most of the time there's just water in it. I think there's, 64 ounces or something like that. I don't remember. But it holds a lot of water. So I got a lot of these. And I've also got these canisters that come with my Nutrable Prime blender. So this is also really handy dandy to have as well. So I'll bring these with me. They might go in my cooler. Who knows? But if you'd like to see the shake mix that I use, or the ones that I recommend, there's 3 of them I typically go with because I personally evaluated all 3 of these. But there's Sun Warrior, there's Vega, VEGA, V as in Victor. You can find those at most health food stores I've seen. The big box stores, I've never seen them in like the big box stores. And then there's one that I've been selling for a long time. If you'd like to look at that one, it's called Shakeology. Get my referral link if you'd like to look at it, because if you end up buying from my specific referral link, I do earn a commission from that. Also, when it comes to protein bars, here's, here it is. The only one that I'm aware of that is super good for you, super nutritious, that you can find in the grocery store is this one. It's called No Cow. There we go. I think the camera might be reversing it, but that's what it looks like. And they do different flavors. I like the chocolate ones the most. Imagine that, I love chocolate. And then I also sell protein bars as well from the company that I represent. So if you'd like to see a link to the ones that I sell, ask me for my specific referral link, and you can look at it if you decide to purchase those from my specific referral link, just like the shake mix. I earn a commission from that. So these you can find most health food stores, even some big box stores. I've seen this one, which is pretty impressive. So this is a little easier to find than healthy shake mixes like Sun Warrior and Vega, but they're out there. And if you want to see my stuff, just ask me for my referral link and I'll send it to you. That's about all. So take 5 minutes, get a bag, a handbag, cooler, just set yourself up for the whole day of healthy convenience, healthy, more cost-effective convenience where you're going to get more for less money. It's a beautiful concept. Take it easy, everyone. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. I'll see you later. Next video coming soon.